Example 3 of section 12.1. A couple of definitions first. I want to make sure you understand the difference between interior and exterior angles. So when the sides of a polygon are extended, the other angles are formed. The original angles are the interior angles, so you can see these three red angles that are inside the triangle are called interior angles when the sides are extended. Now the angles that are formed outside, those are called exterior angles, so as illustrated here. Now, we have a triangle sum theorem that says that the three angles in a triangle should all add up to 180 degrees. So the three interior angles always, no matter what the size of the triangle is, the three angles always make 180 degrees. Now furthermore, one more thing about these exterior angles is that the measure of we have something called the exterior angle theorem that says that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two non-adjacent interior angles. Well, here's what that means. So if you look at this picture here, angle 1, which is right here, has to be equal to the two non-adjacent interior angles. Well, there's three interior angles altogether. The two of them that are non-adjacent to one, you notice one is right next to angle C here. Those are adjacent. But if I took the two non-adjacent angles, so angle A here, I'm sorry, that's angle B. Angles A and B, if you add those together, those two should add up to angle C. Okay? So with that, let's go on to example 3, which asks us to find the measure of an angle in this situation. So we have a triangle, LJK is the name of the triangle. They want us to find the measure of angle JKM. Well, let's see, JKM. K is in the middle, so that's the vertex. And JKM is the angle between these two sides. So this is the angle they want me to find the length for. Right now, they say that measurement is 2x minus 5. Okay? Well, what I know is that this 2x minus 5 is an exterior angle, and it has to equal the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So in other words, x and 70 must add up to 2x minus 5. So we're going to set up the equation, x plus 70, the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles, has to equal 2x minus 5, the exterior angle. So to solve this equation, I'm going to get all the x's on one side, so I'm going to subtract x to get all the x's on the same side. So 70 equals 2x minus x, which is x, minus 5. Now I have to add 5 to both sides to get x by itself, and I find out that x is 75. Now, they didn't ask me to find x, they asked me to find the measure of angle JKM. Well, if x is 75, that tells me that this angle right here, which is x, is 75 degrees. So I can find this angle, JKM, in two different ways. One, I could substitute that 75 in place of x to find its measure. So if I do that, you see I will get 2 times 75, which is 150, and 150 minus 5 would be 145 degrees. That's my answer. The other way I could have gotten the answer is because I know this is 75, I know these two have to add up to this angle also, and 70 plus 75 would have also given me 145 degrees. And that's it for example 3.